Today, I'm going to recommend you the best anime list in this video. If you enjoy this video, please do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new, then remember to turn on notification for more upcoming top 10 videos. So, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Number 10. Luck and Logic. In the year LC 922, humankind faces an uncommon emergency. Following the decision of a 100-year war on the legendary universe of Tetraheaven, the losing Magians looked for a place of refuge and attacked the human world Septpia. The administration is compelled to battle by utilizing logicalists having a place with ALCA, uncommon police that shields the avenues from outsiders of a different universe. Logicalists are given an exceptional force that permits them to enter a stupor with goddesses from the other world. At some point, Yoshichika Tsurugi, a regular citizen who is deficient with regards to rationale and lives calmly with his family, meets the excellent goddess Athena while helping individuals escape from a Magian assault. She uses the rationale that Yoshichika ought to have lost. This leads Yoshichika to an unforeseen predetermination with Athena. Number 9. Knights and Magic. Having passed on in a fender bender, Tsubasa Kurata, an otaku from present-day Japan, is reawakened in the Fremvilla Kingdom, a medieval existence where amazing mechs called Silhouette Knights are utilized to battle awful evil brutes. Naturally introduced to an honorable family under the name of Ernesty Aishwarya and gave with colossal otherworldly capacities, he selects into Royal Laila Academy. This school of enchantment trains youngsters and ladies on the most proficient method to direct the Silhouette Knights, preparing them to shield the realm from dangers, both wicked and human. Ernesty collaborates with the twins named Adultrude and Arkad Olter with the objective to make his own Silhouette Knight one day, an accomplishment unfathomable for a few centuries. Number 7. C. The money of soul and possibility control. Cash is power, and without it, life is good for nothing. In a nation whose economy is wrecked, second-year economics college understudy Kimimero Yoga comprehends this reality very well, as he is encompassed by the generally rich existences of his companions and battling to make a decent living. Nonetheless, his reality is flipped completely around when an outsider in a top cap shows up later than expected night at his entryway. Passing by the name Masaki, the guest petitions Yoga to go toward the Eastern Financial District, a spot where cash streams in plenitude on the off chance that one offers their future as security. Albeit hesitant, avarice triumphs reason and Yoga acknowledges the offer, therefore, assuming the mantle of an entre. Number 6. Ikshin Saga DT. The game and anime follow Kon Hokage, a kid who sets out on an excursion from our reality to a substitute world known as Mira, which is loaded with secretive vitality known as Alma. In the wake of sparing Princess Akalate from aggressors, he before long ends up in the center of a battle around Alma.
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. Now I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down.
Number 5. Hamitra the Animation. The capacity to make wonders isn't only an otherworldly marvel, it is a blessing that shows in a predetermined number of individuals. Least, or little supernatural occurrences, are uncommon forces that lone chose individuals called least holders have. The Investigator Office Yokohama Troubleshooting, or Hamitra for short, is made out of the base holder Pi duo, Nice and Murasaki. Their office is a solitary table at Cafe Nowhere, where the pair and their colleagues anticipate new customers. Out of nowhere, the occupations that they start to get appear to have abnormal associations with the sequential executioner whom their companion Art, a cop, is looking for. The homicide unfortunate casualties share a solitary closeness, they are generally minimum holders. Pleasant and Murasaki, as holders themselves, are attracted to the case. However, what precisely is the connection among Nice and the person who arranges everything? Number 4. Gatchaman crowds in sight. At some point, an enormous UFO turns over Japan and collides with provincial farmland outside Nagaoka, disturbing Tsubasa Mitsudachi's normal life. As the Gatchaman, the unbelievable safeguards of Tachikawa City regulate the experience, a tranquil outsider animal rises up out of the rocket. In the resulting bedlam, Tsubasa is given a unique cutting-edge scratch pad, or note, from Gatchaman originator J.J. Robinson, flagging Tsubasa's abrupt enrollment into their gathering. Under the tutelage of individual legend Hajime Ichino's, Tsubasa gradually starts to change in accordance with life as a protector of equity. In the interim, the crowd's innovation, which empowers clients to show their awareness into a physical structure, is spreading among the general population, just as being embraced by Prime Minister Sugiyama. Number 3. Zammed, Lost Memories. Sainton Island is a little island encompassed by the Yuden Sea. It exists in a condition of fanciful serenity, cut off from the war between the northern government and the southern continent free zone. Our legend, Akiyuki Takehara, lives on Sainton Island alongside his mum Fusa. He is presently isolated from his dad, the town specialist Ryuzo. However, the bond among father and child remains. At some point, in the wake of taking Ryuzo the lunch that Fusa has made for him, not surprisingly, Akiyuki lands at school, where he is up to speed in a blast alongside his companions, Haru and Fuichi. The blast creates a baffling light, which enters Akiyuki's arm, causing him horrendous torment. He is given no opportunity to get it, in any case, as the white-haired young lady who rode on the transport with him guides him to a force, not at all like anything he's at any point known. Number 2. Tenchi Muyo. War on Gemina. Kenshi Masaki has been captured and brought to the universe of Gemina by a puzzling gathering. To get back home, he consents to assist them with killing the recently delegated ruler of the Stryu Empire, Lashra Asu 28, utilizing a monster robot called a sacred mechanoid. As Harami fights them off, Lashra takes note of Kenshi's abilities and demands that her attacker is captured alive, only to find out that the pilot is male, which is extremely rare on Gemina. Believing it to be a waste to kill him, she makes Kenshi her attendant. As the Empress' new servant, Kenshi is required to accompany Lashra to the Holy Land, an academy where sacred mechanoid pilots hone their skills. His arrival attracts attention, but Kenshi is unaware that something sinister is brewing within the academy and it could plunge the entire world into war. Number 1. Eureka 7. In the backwater town of Belforest lives a 14-year-old kid named Renton Thurston. He wants to desert his home and join the hired soldier bunch known as Gecko State, planning to discover some experience to light up his everyday life. In any case, stuck between his granddad's request to turn into a technician like him and the weight of his expired dad's inheritance, the main energy Renton finds is in his side interest of riding the trapper wave particles that are scattered all through the air, a movement similar to surfing. Everything changes when an obscure item crashes through Renton's carport, found to be a light-finding operation, a robot fit for riding the trapper waves, explicitly known as the Nirvash Type 0. Its pilot is a little youngster named Eureka, an individual from the Gecko State, who demands a checkup for the Nirvash. Their gathering sparkles the start of Renton's contribution with the Gecko State as he takes off close by Eureka as the co-pilot of the Nirvash.